How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Kiyoshi Comics. My name is Mike, and I got some Yu-Gi-Oh cards, some old Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I had when I was a kid, in my early teens when Yu-Gi-Oh came out, and I don't know what to do with them. What do you think I should do? I live in Dallas, Texas, so that's where Beckett is, and CBCS, and I have some of these Yu-Gi-Oh cards right here. I'll go through them. You think I should send them to Beckett? Should I make a video of sending them to Beckett and getting them back encased and with the grade? They may be worth something. I don't know. Why don't y'all leave me a comment and I'll get back to you, and of course subscribe to me, and we'll see what we get. So the first thing I have for you to see is Dark Magician, and they've been in this plastic for years. And so I think I'm gonna probably get, if I was to say, maybe an 8.5, maybe even a 9. There's no bending or no creasing that I see, but I'm not a professional grader on trading cards. So there goes that one there. And also I have the Red Eyes Black Dragon. The character Joey had, and I like this one. I like the Red Eyes. Red Eyes was pretty cool. Always liked it when he came out and he fused it with the Summon Skull. That was pretty awesome. So there you go. And this one right here is popular. It's Kaiva's main trading card. I only got 2 of them. I had 3 at one time, but I'm not sure where the third one went. But I have 2 Blue Eyes White Dragons, and then the original from the Kaiva set back in the day, which was like in 2002, I believe. I was probably in middle school. So I got 2 of them. I had a third one. I'm not sure where it went. May have lost it in the move. But these are pretty good. I would say they're in the 9s. You think I should send them to Beckett to get them graded and do a video of them? Leave a comment below and I'll get back with you. Unless you already had them graded before and you know what they're worth. I'm not really too sure what they're worth. I know the Pokemon cards are skyrocketing right now because Pokemon's hot, but then Yu-Gi-Oh is coming in a close second, so we'll see. These other cards I got, they're just holographic cards that I had. One Saga of the Thunder. And all of these actually look pretty good. The Legendary Fisherman. I remember he came on season 1, and that was his favorite card. I forgot the guy's name who owned this card, but I don't know. They're all pretty good. I kind of want to send them all to Beckett, but it's gonna be kind of pricey. Which one should I send to Beckett? The Blue Eyes, the Dark Magician, of course, Yugi's favorite. What about Lord of Dragons with the suit, the flute? I don't know. What you guys think? Also, I got a surprise. I do have 3 other Yu-Gi-Oh cards that are rare. I got them. They were $50 a piece when I bought them as a kid. $50 is a lot back then for me. Maybe I should send these. If y'all are familiar with Yu-Gi-Ohs, these are the strongest cards that you can have. They're the God cards. And let's see, the Winged Dragon of Ra is yellow, Obelisk the Tormentor is blue, and Cypher the Sky Dragon is red. And there you go. So these, they look pretty good. They're just a little bent because, well, curved, I would say, because I had them in a case, a plastic case, and they kind of got stacked on each other. But I know when they're gonna encase it, they're gonna be flat. So I know that the grade's gonna go down just a tiny bit, but I don't see any, there's no bends, like creases. Like I said, they all been in the plastic case for a long time. So I would think you'll be in the 8s, high 8s, low 9s. It ain't gonna get no gem min, of course, but you think I should send these? How much you think these would be worth if I get it graded at Beckett? I can do a video of me taking them to Beckett. That would be pretty awesome. I've never been there, so we would be seeing it like it's our first time. So what do you think? You think I should send these to Beckett? These are Yu-Gi-Oh cards, God cards. You think I should send my Blue Eyes White Dragons? I got 2 of them. My Red Eyes Black Dragon. My Dark Magician. I know it's gonna get pricey if I send all of them. So which ones would you want me to send if I was to send, let's just say 3 of them, 4 of them? Which one should I send to Beckett, get graded, and do, once I get them back, an open surprise? All right, well, just let me know, and please subscribe, because that helps. Our goal is to get 100 subscribers so we could change our URL to a custom URL, and maybe even doing a giveaway. From the first 100 subscribers, I'll do a little drawing, maybe even send you a comic. I was thinking about maybe a 1969 Captain America comic that I have that's not graded. Actually, I have it here. So what do you think? This one, I would think maybe it's like a 5.0, maybe 5.5, no more than a 6. It's 1969 Captain America. Captain America 109. It's not CGC'd, but I was thinking about getting CGC'd, but I might just give this out in the drawing for my first 100 subscribers, so we could change that URL and get a custom URL. What do you guys think? So comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And like I said, please subscribe so you can be in the possible drawing of this comic book. All right, thank you.